Welcome to the installation video of the CURT 70001 Rambler Tow Bar. To begin, make sure that the height of the receiver on the towing vehicle and the mounting tabs on the towed vehicle are as equal as possible. Measure the distance from the ground to the center of the receiver tube on the towing vehicle and the distance from the ground to the center of the mounting tab on the towed vehicle. The height difference must be within 3 inches either above or below for safe towing. If the height difference is greater than this, an adapter will be needed. With the towing vehicle on a flat and level surface, insert the Rambler tow bar into the receiver tube. Notice that there are 2 pin positions on the tow bar shank. It is recommended to use the shortest position whenever possible. Secure the Rambler in place with the provided hitch pin and clip. Position the towed vehicle squarely behind the towing vehicle in the approximate towing location and place it in park. Insert the tow bar attachment tabs into the base plate of your towed vehicle. Unfold the Rambler tow bar from the stowed position and align the arm with the attachment tab. While lifting the latch handle, extend the arm, aligning the lugs on the tow bar with the vehicle attachment tabs and secure it in place with a supplied 1/2-inch pin and linch pin. When connecting the linch pin, ensure that it is in the proper orientation and the folding ring closes completely. Repeat this with the other tow bar arm. With the Rambler attached to the towed vehicle, disengage the parking brake, set up the transmission for towing, and unlock the steering wheel. After the towed vehicle has been set up for flat towing, pull the towing vehicle forward until one or both of the locking handles are engaged. The handles will snap down to a vertical position when they are locked. If only one locking handle is engaged, turn the towing vehicle towards the locked tow bar arm while driving forward until the remaining handle locks into place. Attach the included safety cable in a crossing pattern underneath the tow bar to the chain loop or a solid part of the chassis on the towing vehicle to the base plate convenience link on the towed vehicle. Repeat this for the remaining safety cable. Finish the install by connecting your electrical cable and emergency breakaway. When unhooking the towed vehicle, make sure that both vehicles are parked in a straight line on a level surface. Disengage the towing electrical, emergency breakaway, and safety cables. To release the tow bar arms, pull up on the latch to disengage. Remove the linch pins and pull out the 1/2-inch pin, freeing the lug on the tow bar from the attachment tab on the vehicle. While pulling up on the latch, retract the arm until it hits an internal hard stop. Disengage the other arm and fold the Rambler up and into the stored position. This completes the installation of the CURT 70001 Rambler Tow Bar. Before you tow, make sure to fully read and understand all of the instructions prior to using the Rambler Tow Bar. Thank you for watching this video. Now you're ready for adventure.